Are you struggling with stress and anxiety? Do you want to improve your urogenital system? Channelize your sexual energy into spiritual energy? Then you are watching the correct video. In this video, I will explain you each and every detail about Siddha Yoniasana. What is Siddha Yoniasana? How to do Siddha Yoniasana correctly? Different variations and modifications of Siddha Yoniasana. That is, how can we make Siddha Yoniasana comfortable? Its benefits, precautions and time duration. You will not find any detailed video on the internet like this for Siddha Yoniasana. So watch the video till end. Hello everyone, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. I am Sukhwinder Singh and welcome to Yogachaitanya, a channel where you will find content for improving your physical, mental, emotional and spiritual well-being. So if you are new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any of the health-related tips and updates. What is Siddha Yoniasana? The Sanskrit word Siddha Yoniasana is a combination of three words, Siddh, Yoni and Asana. The Sanskrit word Siddha means power and perfection. The word Siddhi is derived from Siddh and refers to psychic powers achieved through yogic practices. Siddhis include clairvoyance, telepathy, etc. The Sanskrit word Yoni means womb or source and Asana means posture or position. As per Hatha Yoga Pradipika, the yogi who meditates on self or Atma, take moderate and pure food, practice Siddhasana for 12 years, attain perfection or Siddhi. In English, Siddhasana or Siddha Yoniasana is known with many different names like adept pose or accomplished pose. To practice Siddha Yoniasana, sit in a seated straight leg position with straight spine and straight legs. Now bend your right leg, pressing the right heel into the perineum and the sole of the feet touching the inner left thigh like this. Perineum is a place between the anus and the genitals. Now bend the left leg and place the ankle of the left foot exactly above the right ankle and move the toes of the left foot in between the space of the right thigh and the right calf like this. Tuck it over here. Now move your right hand in between the space of the left thigh and the left calf. Grab your big toe, pull it up, adjust your posture, place the hands on the knees, roll your shoulders back and down into Siddha Yoniasana. If you want to learn each and every detail about yoga mudras and meditation postures, then watch these playlists. The link is available in the I button and the description tab. How can you make Siddha Yoniasana more comfortable? Variations for Siddha Yoniasana. The variations for Siddha Yoniasana are exactly same as Siddhasana, which I have covered in this video. Details about Siddhasana. Go and watch this video. It is exactly same as Siddhasana. And these variations and modifications will help you and prepare your body for proper complete Siddha Yoniasana. If you are struggling with persistent cough or cold, phlegm issues, sore throat, low immunity, then you should try our cough and cold relief herbal tea. Yogachaitanya's cough and cold relief herbal tea is based on a unique formula of 11 herbs that are used to relieve cold, cough and boost immunity. The formulation of these authentic herbs helps to relieve cold and cough, inflammation, boost immunity and improve digestion and detoxification. Our wellness teas are available at 50% discount and free shipping in India. You can use coupon code YCU25 to get an additional discount of 5%. The discount offer is valid for limited time, so order it now. Link to the cold and cough relief herbal tea and the coupon code is available in the description tab. The benefits, precautions and contra-indications and time duration for the practice of Siddha Yoniasana is exactly same as Siddhasana. To know about them, watch this video. The link is available in the I button and the description tab. If you want to improve your breathing and learn each and every detail about breathing exercise and pranayams, then watch this playlist. The link is available in the I button and the description tab. I hope you like this video and it added some value to life. If you think so, please like, share and comment. We are open for the feedbacks. We have detailed videos coming on different type of pranayam and yoga postures after this video. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the health related tips and updates. Thank you so much for patiently watching this video. Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, take care, God bless you all.